Hey everyone, quick video. Is data science disappearing? Do you need to know statistics? Do you need to know large N data? Do you need to know how to run R Studio or Python Spider, etc.? A lot of naysayers out there saying, oh, these jobs are going to disappear, etc. Sure, data entry jobs are going to disappear, right? Basic skills, a lot are going to artificial intelligence. But what do I have behind me right here is Code Workspaces, part of Palantir. And now, if you know Palantir, huge tech company, getting massive contracts with SpaceX, the government, etc. Has notable contracts. Its stock went through the roof. It's part of artificial intelligence, data science, etc. But when you want to use its data science part, Code Workspace behind me, what do? You have to choose between one, Jupyter, which uses the Python code, or RStudio, now called Posit, but they still have RStudio right behind me. This is Code Workspace, part of Palantir. You have to choose one of those, and that's what you're going to use in order to code. Coding isn't going anywhere. And moreover, not only do you have to use code to use Palantir in this way, but even if you're able to use artificial intelligence to help you run the code, you still need to understand statistics, the p-value, the R squared, Bayesian analysis. We could go on and on and on about the different characteristics, the different debates, just the different everything of statistics and coding. Like one here uses Python code, the other uses R code. What's the difference right there? So you have to choose one, and you yourself, you do have to code within Palantir Code Workspace. So I don't think coding nor statistics is going anywhere. In fact, I'm going to make a bold prediction. It's going to even get more intense. People need to know more advanced statistics to get good jobs, particularly quote unquote white collar jobs. So please understand, know your statistics, know your coding. Take a class with me, of course. And always remember, even Palantir, you choose to use it. This is a huge artificial intelligence coding, etc. Company. You still need to understand coding and statistics. And behind me, when you enter Code Workspace, you have to choose between RStudio, Jupyter. I choose RStudio because I'm more comfortable with it, and I find it a lot better than Jupyter. I don't know why the people of Palantir give Jupyter. If I was going to use Python, Spider or at least PyCharm would be better than Jupyter. Maybe I should be working for Palantir making millions. Adios, Elon Musk.